Let's break down how long does a concrete driveway last. Here's what you need to know. A well-installed concrete driveway typically lasts 30 to 40 years. Learn what affects lifespan, maintenance requirements, and when to repair or replace. Quick answer. A properly installed concrete driveway lasts 30 to 40 years in North Carolina, with lifespan hinging on mix design, slab thickness, subgrade prep, and maintenance. Sealed and well-maintained driveways often exceed 40 years. Neglected or improperly installed slabs fail in 20 to 25 years. A concrete driveway is one of the largest home improvement investments most owners make, and one of the longest lasting. But how long will it last? Is a question with a wide answer. Anywhere from 20 to 50 plus years, depending on installation quality, climate, and what you do to maintain it. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company has poured and repaired thousands of driveways across the state, and the pattern is clear. The driveways that reach 40-plus years, specific traits. This post breaks down what determines driveway lifespan, what you can control to extend it, and when repair or replacement makes sense. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in new driveway installation and repair for residential and light commercial properties throughout North Carolina. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. A properly installed concrete driveway in the Carolinas lasts 30 to 40 years on average, though freeze-thaw cycles in winter months can reduce that window by 5 to 10 years if air entrainment is not specified in the mix design. The difference between a 25-year driveway and a 40-year driveway often comes down to subgrade preparation, proper slope for drainage, and early-stage maintenance that costs just $200 to $300 annually. Moving on to typical lifespan of a concrete driveway. A well-constructed concrete driveway lasts 30 to 40 years under normal residential use in most of the United States. In North Carolina's Piedmont and mountain regions, where freeze-thaw cycles are frequent, expect 25 to 35 years if the slab is not air-entrained, or 30 to 40 years if it is. Coastal and Piedmont areas near Charlotte and Raleigh see less severe winter stress, but still benefit from air entrainment. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.